Hi, I'm Patch. I'm from Teach Planet, and I'm going to show you a super cool new AI tool that's going to blow your mind if you're trying to write a research paper, undergo a literature review, write your thesis, write your dissertation. This is going to help. So you're going to type into Google Elicit AI, and we're going to go to the AI Research Assistant. I'm wearing a hat because it's literally freezing in London and we're not turning the heating on. We always wait for as long as possible before we turn the heating on. Let's see how far, we'll see how far we get. So we are now on elicit.com. And you can ask it anything, a bit like ChatGPT. So we are going to say, to what extent, I should have thought of a question, to what extent, are we living in a simulation? So I'm going to ask Elicit AI this question. Now, it does a number of things. It's got a database of 175 million papers, academic papers. It analyzes all them. It obviously finds patterns and anything that it deems useful for your research question. So it says, I apologize, but it seems that the papers you provided do not... Okay, so something hasn't quite worked, but it has given us the idea we live in a simulation isn't science fiction. And it's given us some more information on here as well. And I did spell that wrong. So let's put a question there and let's search again. Let's get the spelling right. I mean, number one, spell it correctly. And it's worked. So spelling is important. It's a good lesson to learn. The papers, it's a little summary, and it's saying the papers collectively discuss the possibility of living in a computer simulation. Bostrom 2003, Bostrom 2001 argues that if certain conditions are met, such as the human species going extinct before reaching a post-human stage or post-human civilizations not running simulations, then it is almost certain that we are living in a computer simulation. It's a bit of a mouthful. I'll probably reword that slightly. But you can copy this, you can reword it, put it into your own words. Bit of inspiration to help you start off your literature review, and then you've got all these papers. Now, this is a tool that should be used in parallel with the other tools you would normally use, like Google Scholar, your university library, and Moodle, Blackboard. All of those things should be used as well. And this is an additional tool that can help you start and gain inspiration for writing that ever important paper, whatever it may be. And it's pretty cool. You can go into these and they give you a little bit more information. Some are better than others. They give you information about the writer. Let's go on to Nick Bostrom. Okay, not a lot there. Let's try, and it's saving the ones I'm clicking on up here as well. Okay, we go back. That was 2003, 2001. Done that one. See if there's one that's going to give us actually something. Okay, here we go. So here we've been actually given quite a lot of information, but it's pulling out all the relevant information from the paper, or what it believes to be the relevant information. Really useful tool. I highly recommend you check it out. Follow Teach Planet for more. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.